course, it's like June 22nd, so of course people are out here lighting fireworks off. I mean, why not? It's only like 12 days away from 4th of July. Oh shit, I forgot to attach one of my... Oh well. Forgot to attach one of my little horn buttons. It's like dangling, but it's not going to get in anything, so I'm not worried about it. I think I had the camera tilted down a little bit too much there. If this light would ever freaking change. Oh, there we go. And of course these jackasses are walking across the street.